Okay, so this is our multiplying decimals video. For this one, you're going to need construction paper, scissors, glue, and writing utensil, pencil, pen, something like that. So the first thing you want to do is take your paper and fold it in half. I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Take that and fold it in half again. Take that and fold that in half again. Okay, so then you're going to open it up and you're going to cut on all the lines where the scissors just go. So you're going to do this one hand. I can't put the phone down. Okay, do it. Wait. Cut on all the lines, and when you get finished, you'll have pieces that open up this way and two pieces that open up this way. If you don't, just as long as you have four pieces that can fit on here. Okay, let's get started on our construction paper. This is what you're going to write on your construction paper. First thing you're going to write is multiplying decimals. And then step 1 says line up the decimals, line up the numbers, ignore the decimals. Step 2, multiply like normal. Step 3, count how many numbers are behind the decimal in the problem. Step 4, put the same amount of numbers behind the decimal in your answer. So let's take one of those papers. And this is example 1. So you're going to write on here 1.5 times 3. I wrote down the first step, line up the numbers, and that's what I did here. Open it up. Multiply like normal, ones times the ones, ones times the tens. Here, ones times the ones, 3 times 5 is 15. I put down my 5, regroup by 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Okay. And then last step, last two steps, count how many numbers are behind the decimals in the problem. So you got 1.5 times 3. There is one number behind the decimal. Oh, I don't know what that was about to be. One number behind the decimal. So that means there should be one number behind the decimal in our answer. So this is the problem. We're going to count how many numbers are behind the decimal in the problem. So that's 1. Remember, when you don't see a decimal, the decimal is behind it. So we don't have any numbers behind it. So we have one number behind the decimal in our problem. That means we'll put one number